Cardano is certainly one of those undertakings that have mind-boggling expected beyond being a resource that gets exchanged for benefit, based on peer-evaluated scholastic examination. Cardano has united areas of strength for it throughout the long term. Its specialized establishment and the aspirations of its group have made ADA one of the top cryptographic forms of money on the planet. We should investigate what the Cardano digital money and undertaking are about and inspect our ADA cost conjecture for the next few years. If it's not too much trouble, remember that, similarly as with some other digital currency, it is almost difficult to make a 100% precise Cardano cost figure. We notice what least cost and most extreme value ADA might possibly have in 1 year or the following 5 years. Yet those are only our assessments. This video doesn't comprise speculation guidance. Our constant ADA to USD cost update shows the ongoing Cardano cost as 39 cents USD. According to our Cardano cost forecast, ADA cost is supposed to have a 5.5% reduction and drop as low as by April 25, 2023. Our investigation of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 70%. With a trepidation and covetousness record score of 56. Over the most recent 30 days, Cardano has had 18 30th green days and 6.87% cost instability, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Cardano is $36 cents, and ADA is buy and buy position no. 7 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Cardano is $12,577,219,897.51, with a market cap of $34,730,976,807. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 2 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ADA has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 5.21%. Cardano has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of ADA has expanded by 1.75%, adding a monster normal measure of 1 cent to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Cardano value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Cardano costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Cardano will be 45 cents. The greatest level that the ADA cost can reach is 55 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 47 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 43.6% by ADA value gauge for February 2023 in view of the value changes of Cardano toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 37 cents in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 34 cents and at 38 cents individual. Expected return on initial capital investment, 0% by WAC 2023. Cardano value conjecture digital money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the ADA cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 36 cents, while the greatest could reach 39 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Cardano may be around 37 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 2.6% by ADA value figure for April 2023. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value changes of Cardano in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal ADA rate they anticipate may be around 39 cents in April 2023. It can drop to 37 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 41 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 7.7% by May 2023. Cardano value figure around mid-year 2023. The ADA cost will be exchanged at 39 cents overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cardano worth to 43 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 38 cents in May 2023. Possible return for money invested, 12.8% by ADA value gauge for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Cardano costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, 40 cents. The most minimal and top ADA rates may be 39 cents and 44 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 15.4% by July 2023. Cardano value conjecture crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ADA cost will be around 41 cents. In July 2023, the Cardano cost might drop to at least 39 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 46 cents in July 2023. Possible return for money invested, 20.5% by ADA value figure for August 2023. Having examined Cardano costs, digital currency specialists expect that the ADA rate could arrive at a limit of 48 cents in August 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to 41 cents. For August 2023, the estimated normal of Cardano is almost 42 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 25.6% by September 2023. Cardano value estimate around mid-2023. The Cardano cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 44 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the ADA cost could vary somewhere in the range of 42 cents and 50 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 30.8% by ADA value figure for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Cardano worth won't dip under at least 43 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is 52 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 45 cents. Expected return for money invested, 35.9% by November 2023. Cardano value gauge digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of ADA costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Cardano will be around 54 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 44 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 45 cents. Likely return for money invested, 41% by ADA value figure for December 2023 in view of the value variances of Cardano toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 47 cents in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 45 cents and at 55 cents. Separately, possible return for capital invested, 43.6% by Cardano value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Cardano in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Cardano will be around 65 cents. The greatest expected ADA cost might be around 77 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 66 cents in 2024. Cardano value expectation 2025 in view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Cardano. In 2025, ADA is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 92 cents and $1.15 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 95 cents. Cardano value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Cardano and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base ADA cost could drop to $1.34, while its greatest can reach $1.61. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.38. Cardano value expectation 2027 in light of the examination of the expenses of Cardano by crypto specialists. The accompanying most extreme and least ADA costs are normal in 2027, $2.27 and $1.94. Overall, it will be exchanged at $1.99. Cardano value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Cardano. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical ADA cost will be around $2.95. It could drop to at least $2.85. However, it actually could reach $3.33 all through 2020. Cardano value expectation 2029 consistently.